Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. We've got you covered. Stay tuned as we share tips on garden decor, its importance, and how to refresh your garden all year round. A waterfall staircase is a breathtaking architectural feature that seamlessly blends aesthetic elegance with functional design. In the context of luxury log cabins, this type of staircase elevates the overall ambience, creating a stunning focal point that captures the essence of rustic charm and modern sophistication. Crafted with precision and artistry, a waterfall staircase cascades smoothly from one level to another, mimicking the natural flow of a waterfall, hence the name. When integrated into a log cabin's interior, it enhances the warmth and organic feel of the space, making it inviting and visually captivating. These staircases are not just functional elements, they are statement pieces that define the character of a home. The design process involves careful planning to ensure that the staircase complements the architectural style of the log cabin while providing durability and safety. The use of high-quality materials, such as solid wood and custom finishes, guarantees longevity and aesthetic appeal. A waterfall staircase also offers opportunities for customization, allowing homeowners to choose from various wood types, finishes, and design details to match their personal style. Whether you prefer a rustic, creating a stunning waterfall staircase requires a high level of craftsmanship, blending artistry with engineering precision. Skilled artisans meticulously select the finest woods, such as oak, walnut, or cedar, that not only offer durability but also bring out the natural beauty of rustic materials. The process begins with detailed measurements and 3D modeling to ensure that the design flows naturally from one level to another without abrupt turns or awkward angles. The craftsmanship involves intricate joinery techniques that ensure stability and safety while maintaining a seamless aesthetic. Each step is carefully crafted and fitted to create the illusion of a waterfall, smooth, continuous, and flowing, highlighting the natural grain and texture of the wood. Hand carving and finishing techniques further enhance the staircase, emphasizing its rustic charm and unique character. Artisans pay close attention to details such as railings, balustrades, and decorative elements, which can be customized to match the overall design theme. One of the most appealing aspects of waterfall staircases in luxury log cabins is their high level of customization. Homeowners can choose from a variety of design elements to create a staircase that perfectly fits their aesthetic preferences and lifestyle needs. The shape and flow of the waterfall design can be tailored, ranging from gentle curves to dramatic sweeping arcs, creating a visual flow that complements the space's architecture. Wood selection plays a crucial role. Natural finishes highlight the rustic beauty of the grain, while painted or stained options can match or contrast with the cabin's interior decor. The handrails and balustrades can also be customized, with options including wrought iron, carved wood, or a combination of materials to add character and detail. Decorative accents such as carved motifs, inlays, or embedded lighting can further personalize the staircase, making it a true focal point. For those seeking a more modern rustic look, minimalist designs with clean lines and subtle finishes are available. The choice of materials and finishes significantly impacts the overall aesthetic and durability of a waterfall staircase in a luxury log cabin. Rustic wooden staircases typically feature solid hardwoods that withstand the test of time, while showcasing natural beauty. Popular choices include reclaimed barnwood, weathered oak, or rich walnut, which bring warmth and authenticity to the space. The finish options are equally diverse: oil, wax, stain, or clear varnish that enhance the wood's grain and character. A matte or satin finish can give a more natural, rustic appearance, while high-gloss finishes add a touch of sophistication. For a truly bespoke look, artisans can incorporate distressed or antiqued finishes that emphasize the rustic charm and history of the materials. The treads, risers, and handrails can be crafted from the same wood or contrasting materials to add visual interest. Metal accents, such as wrought iron balusters, can complement the wooden elements, adding durability and decorative appeal. Lighting fixtures integrated into the staircase design can be crafted from aged brass or black iron, creating a cozy, inviting glow that highlights the craftsmanship. Integrating a waterfall staircase seamlessly into the interior design of a luxury log cabin requires careful planning and vision. The staircase should complement the overall aesthetic, whether it's rustic, modern rustic, or traditional, while serving as a centerpiece that elevates the entire space. Positioning the staircase at a strategic location ensures it becomes a natural focal point, drawing attention without disrupting the flow of the interior. For example, placing the staircase near large windows or in an open-concept living area can maximize natural light and create a sense of spaciousness. The surrounding decor should enhance the staircase's design, using complementary materials like stone, leather, or vintage accessories. The color palette of the interior should harmonize with the wood tones of the staircase, creating a cohesive look. Lighting plays a vital role. Installing LED strips or pendant lights along the staircase can accentuate its flowing form and craftsmanship. Incorporating natural elements, such as potted plants or handmade rugs, can further connect the staircase to the rustic charm of the cabin. The design must also consider practicality. Ample space for movement and safety features like sturdy handrails and non-slip treads. Thoughtful integration ensures that the waterfall staircase becomes not just a decorative feature but an organic part of the cabin's overall harmony and comfort. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.